Welcome to another sneak preview of the latest online workshop, which is a part of the DMV Interiors Sewing Design Series. If you're new to sewing, or if you want to learn more about how to sew beautiful soft furnishings for your home, click on the workshop link and join the club. And get ready to watch, learn, and sew. Here's a sneak preview of the first of many sewing projects that we will be covering as a part of the Sewing Design Series. Throughout each course, you will learn how to select fabric for your home sewing projects, how to set up your sewing space, how to measure your fabric, as well as how to cut, sew, and even address minor mistakes. I will also be showing you which supplies you will need and some cool resources on where you can get great discounts on fabrics and notions. Be sure to watch the entire series as often as you like. Each and every course is designed especially to help you make your home a beautiful place to live. But first, let's go ahead and get started with the rod pocket at the top. And so here I am. I have gone through and I've done a little bit of ironing just to lay everything down. I've done some pre-measurements and we're going to share that with you right now. So because we're working with a 1-inch diameter rod, and you know it's a 1-inch rod from the packaging that you get at the store, but also you can see that here by looking at this measurement here. It's 1 inch across. In order to install this though,